Every driver knows that they are required to purchase some form of car insurance if they want to legally drive. Under current state laws, if a driver is found to be driving without insurance, then their car will be impounded and they could go to jail in some states. This wasn't always the case. In the past, a driver used to pay a fine, and they would have to purchase cheap insurance in order to please the traffic court judge. Now, because of so many cases of people being involved in car accidents with no form of insurance to protect themselves or others, a person can find themselves with no mode of transportation if they get caught without some form of auto insurance. Because of this, many people might think that car insurance is a senseless product that they are forced to purchase if they want to continue to drive their vehicles. Some people might even be tempted to drive without insurance in rebellion. When people are forced to do something, it makes them angry. However, people need to understand that purchasing auto insurance isn't about being treated like a child or a criminal. Purchasing auto insurance is all about protecting their car and their body if they find that they are hurt in a car accident. Also, it's only right that a driver who causes an auto accident pays to cover any damages against the other driver. Legally, a driver must purchase and carry on them proof of liability insurance. Liability insurance covers the cost of any damages that a driver causes. Some drivers might feel that it's not a big deal to cover the cost of damage that they cause to others. However, not only is this the right thing to do, but it's against the law for a driver not to cover the damages that they cause. Having said this, when a driver purchases liability insurance, they need to keep in mind that this insurance only covers the cost of damages to others. This type of insurance doesn't cover the cost of damages that take place to their vehicle. So, what can a driver do to protect themselves? They can purchase comp and collision insurance, commonly known as full coverage insurance. This type of insurance covers the cost of any damages that occur to one's vehicle when they cause the accident. There are also insurance policies that cover the cost of medical care, if medical care is needed as a result of the accident. One can't underestimate the importance of purchasing car insurance. Besides the fact that it's the law, most people can't afford to replace a car, or pay for medical bills in cash. When a person purchases a solid car insurance policy, they won't have these concerns. It's best that when a driver goes shopping for car insurance that they get as many different quotes as possible. Insurance companies are businesses, and they will charge their customers as much money as possible. There are ways to configure the premiums and the deductibles so that the driver can make sure that they are saving as much money as possible. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.